Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are solving grade 7, book 2, page number 104. This is chapter 3, exercise number 3A. And the topic of this exercise is expansion and simplification of quadratic expression. We have done already the question number 1A part, and the question number 1E part is, when we are solving this question, we can see that we have negative sign, and in the bracket we have three terms, and then some values are outside the bracket. First of all, you have to open the bracket. When we want to open the bracket, as you can see, the negative sign is outside the bracket. So this negative sign will multiply with all these three values, and then we can remove the bracket. Plus minus, minus 4x square. Plus minus, minus 9x. And plus minus, minus 2, and this plus 3x square minus 7x plus 2 will be same as. The next step is that you have to collect the like terms. If I want to collect the like terms from here, these are minus 4x square plus 3x square minus 9x minus 7x minus 2 and plus 2. This is the by collecting the like terms. As you can see very easily here, this is x square and this is x square. I just collect them, minus 4x square and plus 3x square, minus 9x and minus 7x, and there are two constant values, minus 2 and positive 2. Now the next step is that we have to simplify them. How to simplify them? As you can see over here, that these both values have the variable x square and the coefficients. One coefficient is negative 4, one coefficient is 3. When I want to simplify these two terms, so I have to just simplify the coefficients. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. As we are not writing minus 1, I'm just going to write it as minus x square. Minus 9x and minus 7x. Minus 9 and minus 7. Just plus the numbers. 9 plus 7 is 16, and write the same sign. It is going to be negative 16x. And here, negative 2 and positive 2 will be cancelled. There will be no constant over here, and that's your final answer. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.